Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's finance video is about 3 things to do right after you've bought your first investment property. So, the first thing that you should be doing is getting financial advice. Can't stress enough how important that is. You bought your first investment property. Most people buy their property to create wealth, to ensure a comfortable lifestyle. But how do you know that you are on track to achieve your comfortable lifestyle goals? Is one property going to be enough? You see, a financial advisor can sit down with you and go through these options to determine if you are on track. And that's why sitting down with your advisor is extremely important. So the first thing is to speak to a financial advisor. The second thing that you must do is don't get emotionally attached to your property. So being a first-time investor, a lot of people are emotionally attached to it. So you have to separate the investment. Don't become emotionally attached, because when you're emotionally attached, you make the wrong decisions. Some clients also like to manage the property themselves. What I suggest you to do is use a property agent. They're the experts. And it also is another way to not be emotionally attached to your property. So the second thing is, don't be emotionally attached, because you will make the wrong decisions. And finally, the third thing that you must do is be patient. You know, you bought your first investment property. A lot of people expect it to increase in value overnight. It takes time. Property is a growth investment, which means that it will take time to make money. So be patient. Be patient. Don't sell with at the first sign of trouble. When you're investing in property, invest for the long term, because that's where you create wealth. So, they are my 3 things that you must do right now after buying your first investment property. In summary, number 1, get financial advice. Number 2, don't be emotionally attached to your property. And finally, number 3 is to be patient. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you've found value in it. If you have any questions, please write your comments in the comment section below. If you would like assistance or help going down the investment property path, then please call the office, and we're more than happy to assist in that space and get you on the right path to achieving your financial goals. And remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye-bye.